Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into a fascinating journey through time to uncover how gears have literally changed the world. Gears, those seemingly simple-toothed wheels, have been the unsung heroes of innovation for centuries. Let's start in ancient Greece. Around 300 BCE, the brilliant mathematician Archimedes used gears in his invention, the Archimedes Screw. It was a device designed to lift water for irrigation. This early use of gears was a game-changer, revolutionizing agriculture and laying the groundwork for more complex machinery. Fast forward to the Renaissance. Leonardo da Vinci, the ultimate Renaissance man, sketched intricate gear systems in his notebooks. He envisioned gears in all kinds of machines, from helicopters to automated looms. Though many were never built, his ideas fueled the imaginations of future inventors. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th century was where gears truly hit their stride. With James Watt's improvements to the steam engine, gears enabled factories to operate machines more efficiently. This was a pivotal moment, transforming industries and boosting productivity like never before. But gears aren't just about heavy machinery. They play a crucial role in the world of precision. Think of clockmakers in the 17th century, crafting intricate gear systems to create timepieces that were both beautiful and accurate. These innovations paved the way for our modern obsession with precision engineering. In the automotive world, gears are indispensable. The development of the automobile in the late 19th and early 20th centuries saw gears enabling smoother and more controlled driving experiences. Imagine cars without gearboxes. They're essential for transferring power from the engine to the wheels, making our daily commutes possible. Today, gears are integral to robotics and digital technology. They're in everything from your electric toothbrush to the Mars rovers exploring the red planet. It's amazing how these humble components continue to drive innovation and progress. So the next time you see a gear, remember, it's not just a mechanical part. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and a testament to our relentless quest to innovate. Gears have indeed changed the world, and their impact will continue to resonate through the ages. Thanks for joining me on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech history deep dives. Until next time, stay curious.